Hey friends, so today I'm going to share with you guys my super easy banana blueberry muffin recipe. So we're going to start off with 2 ripe bananas, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 3 eggs, 2 cups and a half of flour, half a cup of almond milk, a few blueberries, and another half a cup of water. So you want to peel your bananas, drop in your dry ingredients. You also want to put in a tablespoon of baking powder. And you want to add in 2 caps full of vegetable oil, or you could do melted butter. Then you want to crack all 3 of your eggs and you want to whip them up so that your muffins are nice and fluffy. And then you're just going to go ahead and drop those in after you've whipped them all good. Then next, you're going to add your half cup of almond milk, then a half a cup of water. Drop that in there. And then you're gonna stir. Then to add extra moisture, I added a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. And then you just pour those in your muffin pan. By now, I hope that you've preheated your oven on 400. And then I dropped around 4 to 5 blueberries in each muffin. And then I just used a spoon to kind of push them down to the center. Just like that, and they're ready to go in the oven for about 25 minutes, and voila, super moist, yummy, easy blueberry banana muffin recipe. Perfect if you have leftover ripe blueberries or ripe bananas, and then you just add a little butter to that. You can just add it with your breakfast or have it like as a pick-me-up throughout the day. Yum, yum, yum. Hope you guys found this recipe as easy as I did. Be sure to tune in for our next recipe and let us know what you think in the comments.